What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So why do I keep buying cryptocurrency? I somehow keep putting money into cryptocurrency when I could put it into the stock market. People are asking me, why don't you put it into, long-term, accounts or, investments or whatever, put it into a Roth IRA, put it into your dividend positions. Why do you keep buying cryptocurrency? Well, I'm going to explain why I buy cryptocurrency in a little bit. But before we get started, guys, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget, I have other channels. If you want to follow those channels, definitely do that as well. But if you haven't noticed, I've been putting more and more money into cryptocurrency. I've been talking about cryptocurrency quite a bit. And this is not even the full extent of my cryptocurrency. And I don't know how many times I could say crypto, but I will say it. But I also have some in Robinhood and in Webull, which I have a lot that's in Dogecoin, at which I want to pull out and put into Coinbase because that's where I would like all my crypto to be. But why do I keep buying it? I keep buying $100 here, $200 there, $1,000 here, $500 there, whatever it actually ends up being, I'm buying a lot of it. Now, if you haven't noticed, crypto has been down from the peak, right? The peak was at 2.4 trillion. That was what the market was looking like, 2.4, 2.6 trillion, right? You had Bitcoin that was at 67K. You had Dogecoin that was at 76 cents. You had Internet Computer that was up in the 750s. You had Compound that was up in the 950s. You had Litecoin that was up in the 400, close to 500. Like, you had so many different coins that were at these all-time highs they could have possibly been to, and it was on a big bull run. And now you're seeing this really increase as of late. We're seeing it decrease. Now as of late, you're seeing this start to increase a little bit, but people are still wondering why I'm buying it, because just because we're seeing these false breaks doesn't mean it's not going to go down, which we understand. We agree that support levels don't really hold that well in crypto. Resistance levels don't really hold that well in crypto. It's all about the buyers and the sellers, and things get moved around so fast with cryptocurrency that it's a different story than the stock market. You really can't follow it. But if you haven't noticed, I have money in Internet Computer, Litecoin, Anchor, Compound, Gitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Cardano, AMP, all different types of things. You see a lot that's there. And the main reason that I keep buying it is because I'm treating my cryptocurrency like an ETF or a mutual fund. While cryptocurrency is at these lows that we are seeing, whether it's the lowest lows possible or it's, kind of the middle of the road type of thing, and we'll see Internet Computer go down to $20 or $10 or whatever. It's giving me the ability to double, triple, quadruple down on something that I truly believe in. Cryptocurrency is going to be that huge move. Once we start to see, Bitcoin start running again, which it is moving up to 40K as of now. And once we see it start to really run again, you're going to see other things that start to not only follow, but lead the way as well. People are dropping names like Cardano. They're dropping names like Ethereum. They're saying things like the flippening is going to happen. And when I see something like that, it makes me think that crypto is just going to boom in general. It's not just going to be Bitcoin with its huge dominance. It's going to be, Ethereum that's sitting right there. It's going to be Cardano. It's going to be Litecoin that's sitting right there. They're all being used and have some form of usability. But people ask me, hey, are you investing in these cryptos because they have a use case to them? And not necessarily. Yeah, Ethereum, yeah, Litecoin, yeah, some of these bigger coins, these more well-known coins are probably going to be something that I look at for more of a use case, but also the growth potential. It's mainly because of the growth potential. I'm telling you, I'm treating my cryptocurrency like an ETF. I've invested probably in total, I can't really check it, but I invested probably in total somewhere around 6,500 or so. And I've grown that much because I'm adding up everything that I'm currently investing in because I just bought more today. But total that I invested was around 6,500-ish, might be 6,600. But it ended up growing up to 8,133. It was up to 8,700 recently. I believe that's what it was. 8,000, maybe not 8,200. For some reason, I thought it was 8,700, 8,200 recently. But either way, I mean, it's still at a high price that I did end up gaining on the total amount that I had there because I'm treating it like an ETF. I'm looking at it at any type of dips that it does have. I'm buying more. Any type of increase that it does have, I'm holding on to the position that I have. And maybe if it increases, fast enough and it hits my level to where I'm comfortable with buying, I'll buy more. So I'm sitting on a few cryptocurrencies, and I'll go through some things right now. So let me talk about one that I bought recently. Now, in my live stream, somebody brought up a coin. And anytime that somebody brings up a coin, I always do like a deep dive into the position, right? Just to see the potential to where it can get to without looking at any type of use case to it. Because a lot of times this is not based on the use case, it's based on potential of the position. Long-term potential, short-term potential. I feel like I messed up that word potential. That's basically what I said. But short-term potential, long-term potential, all of that stuff, where it can go. So things that I'm looking at, like Internet Computer, Litecoin, Anchor is a big one. I have 10,000 coins and I look for that to make a huge increase. AMP. That is one that I expect to make a huge increase. Cardano, I plan on buying more of that as well. But a coin that people mentioned, or somebody mentioned on the live stream, and I thank you for that, is Polymath. Polymath is new to Coinbase. It was just added. And anytime I see something that's new to Coinbase that has some firm potential, I will actually make a move into it. So let me go ahead and look up, Polymath, wherever it is. There it is. And let's look at the overview, right? The overview for a year ago, we've seen this, at 4 cents, right? It currently is at 24 cents. We've seen this at 4 cents. I don't think I got in at the lowest point, right? The lowest point would be down here at 12 cents. They were just added to Coinbase, and this is where I want to buy it. Right now, it's ranked 83rd most held on Coinbase. Why is it ranked 83rd most held? Because it's brand new. Dogecoin was ranked very, very low when it was brand new, right? So now that you see this on Coinbase, it's going to start to climb that chart, climb that leaderboard. And the typical hold time is 1 day. People are looking for a quick gain out of this position. However, once you see this hold time go up to maybe like 7 days, 10 days, you're going to start to see this price end up increasing to levels that it once was, where it could be 80 cents, it could be $1, it could be $2, right? But from where it's at, 24 cents is big. And if it continues to increase, that's something that you add on. So I'm looking to lower that cost basis. I add on another $200, $250 or whatever it is, or just look at it by shares and add another 1,000 coins, right? So this is a position that I see that has a lot of potential, because you look at something that is at 618 million coins. That's not a crazy amount. It's way higher than Bitcoin. It's higher than Ethereum, but it's not higher than something like Anchor or AMP, which does have a lot of potential as well. So the market cap right now is $149 million worth. You see the volume, and then what it's looking like is an 83% buy, 17% sell. So people are going to continue to buy this position. I do believe in Polymath. That's a new position that I just bought, and it's purely based off of the potential to where it can go to. It can easily get to $100 and still not break that market cap ceiling that we look at compared to Ethereum or compared to Litecoin or compared to XRP or compared to Bitcoin. Like, it's not going to break those ceilings at all. It's not even going to get close to them. So if we're looking at that and this gets to 100 to where you hold 1,000 shares, that's obviously a big deal. However, if this, goes from $13 or 13 cents or goes down to 13 cents, I can buy more, increase that from 1,000 to 2,000 or 10,000 or whatever I wanted to buy, and then let that ride out as an ETF, right? Until it gets to its largest potential. It gets to its largest potential, I sell off my position, or majority of my position, and then roll with it. You know what I mean? So it's cryptocurrency has a lot of potential to it without even looking into use cases of them. So this is why I'm going to start to get heavily invested in cryptocurrency, not only just stocks. I understand that people love my stock content, but people also love when I talk about cryptocurrency and the potential just based on market cap before we get into the full use case of that position. So guys, let me know what you think about cryptocurrency and the fact that I am buying, a lot of cryptocurrency. Right now I'm holding $1,150 worth. My Internet Computer is the highest amount that I hold. Litecoin, Anchor, I don't have any Bitcoin, very little Ethereum, which I am going to probably buy some more of. I have $125 worth, but I think I'm going to buy some more of that. Scale, like I have a lot of different positions, and let me know what you think about them, because I really would like to know your opinion. But guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of my links in the description, as well as my other videos and other channels. I have a lot of stuff going on. So thank you guys for being here, and I will catch you guys in the next video.